Meaning of fundamentally.
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 Fundamentally. Fundamentally means something that is essential or foundational to a particular idea, concept, or system. It refers to the underlying principles or basic structure of something. In essence, when we say that something is fundamentally important or necessary, we mean that it is a core element that cannot be ignored or removed without compromising the entire system. This term is often used in discussions about technology, science, and philosophy. For example, in order to understand programming languages like Python, it is essential to grasp the fundamental concepts of coding, such as variables, loops, and conditionals. Without this foundational knowledge, it would be impossible to write functional programs.